Hello friends, welcome back to Multi-School Management System in Laravel 11. Last video we had discussed about a class timetable, like you can filter and you can search here as a subject, and after you can put like a week name. We did in last video. In this video we need to submit. Suppose you click on the submit button and we need to save like start time, end time and also room number inside database. We can cover in this video so we can finish our class module. Before we can start, you are new in the channel or in the series, please subscribe and please press the bell icon. So whatever content we are uploading, so let's get the notification and you can start immediately new thing learning. And also, do you want to buy script? Just go to our official website rsolutioncode.com and you can buy it. Okay. So let's start now. So first I was starting to opening the PHP admin. So is the one types of starting to open. So we need to use, so we can use directly. So first we need to put here submit button. So once you can submit all things, so we need to do, but first we don't want to show like this class timetable. Once you can search class name and once you can set subjects, after we need to show this thing, like we need to show week name, start date, end date and room number. Okay, so let's start now. So just go to http controllers, means we need to show submit buttons, otherwise we don't want to show submit button without searching. So we need to check here class timetable inside list.blade.php. Just scroll down. First we can make design wise submit button. So here we can try button class btn primary success. Okay, you can use this success and submit. Let's go back again, refresh the page here. So you can see it button there, but we need to redirect to right side. So let's make a div and here we can put it like a style, text align, text align right. Let's refresh the page again and we can check this go, not go. So it's going. Let's make some padding, so look like a professional. Show this button. Okay, so here I can do it like padding 20 px. So you can see submit button is like a bigger and look like show professional now. Okay, and now you can see it save. Okay, save means you can submit, means copy paste whatever you can think. And let's copy for this one because we need a one like form. So I go to other website, other page, and I copy and I can put here closing. Okay, the form also closed because here is a form there, this reasons. Let's go back again, refresh the page here again, so no any errors. Now we need to make condition. Here class name selected and also here subject selected, so we need to show submit button, otherwise we don't want to show submit button. So simply you need to put condition if request I think is already there, so we just need to copy paste. We don't want to typing much like this way. Request get subject id and class id and also you can put is not empty because I need to put condition wise this reasons. And also we need to use this fields in hidden and if, and also you can go up and you can put it here hidden field for the class id and subject id. So just you can use hidden and here you can put like a subject id and here you can put value inside subject id. Suppose subject id there, and here also you can copy paste and you can put it here class id. Because hidden inside we need, okay, this class against this subject against we are storing the data, this reasons. Okay, and let's moving tr. So let's go back again, refresh the page here. So here you can see submit button not found, also you can not found hidden field. Suppose I can search here and click on the search, so you can see class id subject id there, so submit button also there. Now we need to save all the information inside database. Suppose I can add like a 50 am 10 am and my room number is a 1 and you click on the submit, so we need to save all the data inside database and our action url is blank, so means is same url. So first we need to create here array. So here you can make like a timetables, whatever what do you want to like. What is the name of the array? So $key. We need to add here id. We already did in last video is id. Let me go to back inside student controller, so subject controller. Here you can see it. Okay, we did inside let's scroll down. So here you can see class timetable. We did here class timetable. Inside we already passed id. You can see it. So this is the id we need to use as a key. So simply you can put it like this way: dollar value id, and here you can put the name. Name means you can put like what's the name? Start time, I think. Yeah, start times. And same thing you can copy paste and you can put it here end time. Okay, and here you can put it like a roll number. So is room number, not roll number, room number. So this is the form is ready. I can just minus so you can understand easily. Here you can put like his id, not value, just you can put id because I made a mistake this reasons. Just you can put id. Okay, but if hidden inside we need to also need to use our week id. So just copy paste, and here you can use type is equal to hidden, and here you can do week id, and you can use value inside also week id, like whatever you are passing here, because this is the one types of key we are using, but is a id wise we can use. Just copy and paste here. Okay, so let's go back again, refresh the page here. Now first of all we need to create the same url as a post url. So we need to get as a post method. So just go to routes inside web.php and just scroll down. So we already created class timetables. Let me search timetables so you can see. Just copy paste and you can put it here, get to post methods, and here you can do it like a submit class timetable. And now you need to create a new function inside a subject controller. Let's use a go to definition. I can go scroll down, and here you can create a new function, and you can put it here request $request, and here you can change the function name. Let's make dd request all so we can understand what I get here. Okay, let's go back again, submit the page, and we can check it's working, not working. First I will refresh because I am refreshing, so here you can see url inside found, so automatic work. So 9 0 10 0, and I can put like room number also. I need to change the text because I ever did in time. So just you can change your text. Okay, let's go back again, refresh the page here. So first you can 9 0 am 10 0 am and room number 1, and I don't want to need to add 10 0 am. Here I can make 11 0 am and room number 2. I just press the enter, so one type of submit. So here you can see it like subject id, class id, you can find out same thing is url there, and also you can see it here is a week id, start time, end time, and room number. You can see it here 9 to 10, and also you can see it here second number week id again is not there anything. This reason is null. Suppose the fourth one error inside there, this reason data available. So this is the data we need to store in our database. So first we need to create a one model, and also we need to create a tables. So just go to your php admin, inside you can go to your database school.com, whatever database name you created, and click on the new. And new inside we need to store some data like first of you can timetable, class timetable. So just you can create a table name class timetables. Okay, second one, what information need we need to add to subject id. First we need to auto increment id, like and you can make auto increments. And second subject id we need 100%, class id we need, so you can put it. Second one need week id because week against what is the data there, so week id also need. Start time, end time, and room number. Start time, end time, and here is their room number. So this is the information we need, and here you can do it like an integer. You can leave it. Also here you can leave it. Here we don't need created by id because we know about like subject id, class id. So this against we need to get the data. So we don't want to need is the who is created by. Okay, because we don't want to show these reasons. Otherwise we need to show. So I can told you okay we need, but here we don't need. Here you can make 255 255, and here you can put it null null, and just add a more two detail like created at and updated like a dates created at, and same thing you can do it here updated at, and you can change here date and time, and you can put it here null, also you can put it here null, and here you can change our again date and time, and after you can click on the save button. So table is been created. So once table created, we need to create as a one model like a class timetable models. Just copy, and I can go back to model and I click on the new files, and here I can copy class timetable, so I can do it very quick. This reasons timetable, and we can put T is also capital, so we know, okay, a class timetable. Go to any controller, sorry, go to any models, and you can copy all things. Just copy and put it here, and just you can change the class name, also you can change the table name. So I go back again, change the table name, you can see it here. Okay, we don't want to need get record right now, we don't need anything get record active, so just you can remove it. You can leave it only get single, and here also you can change this table name, because sometimes we are confusing, we are not understanding easily because I was testing this time generate the error, not easily, but we are testing this time not working very well, this reasons. Okay, now we need to create a one function as a delete record. Why we need a delete record? Because of once you can trying to add a new entry, so old record we need to remove, so we need to make here new function as a delete record, and here we can see it like class id. We are not calling this function right now, but we need this function, this reason I told you now. Okay, so self means is a above class name, and here you can do it like where class id and subject id. Again, you need to remove all the records inside a database. Otherwise, do you want to put as a self as a class name, so also possible. Whatever do you want to like, you can do it. Okay, and here you can put it like subject id, and last one you can put it delete. So record has been deleted, means record can be deleted. So just you can change here class to this thing, so easily understand. Okay, delete record. Now we want to declare this function inside a subject control function and models. So first let's declare this a model, and after we need to call for we have created this function. Just scroll down and you can call it here. So first we need to make condition is not empty. If $request class id and subject id is not empty, so it's going to inside. Otherwise we need to show error, please select class id and subjects id. So just you can put it here subject id, and inside you can put it your code, else part you can redirect to back as the error wise. Let's go back again, and we need to check, we need to copy success message and put it here, and here you can do it like errors, and here you can change it like message, please select class and subject, select class and subjects. Let's make capital letters, so look like professional. This is the reasons, and this is the going to multi-language. This time we need to do lots of things, but right now just put it like this way. Okay, and here you can put it back. Now we need to call our new function we have already created. So class timetables, and go to subjects and put it here, and you can do it as a this function calling delete record, and inside you can pass two parameter as a class id and subject id. So just you can pass here two parameters, subject id, class id. You can see it here, class and subjects. So both parameter I have a pass here. Now we need to save this information inside database timetable. So simply you need to create a one for each loop $request timetable, and also you can use same variable as the timetables. Okay, and now you need to put condition if is not empty. Let's get the first data is getting is a array wise, is getting as a object wise, so we can do it condition very well. Week id, because I know about we have write week id spelling, this reasons. Okay, let's copy for this one, because after I don't want to check again. Let's make a week id, so you can see array wise working. So I already copied because I don't want to test again these reasons. And here you can make if is not empty, and you can do it other one all, because everything is required. So just copy paste everything, like 4 parameter there, so all is required, and just put it inside. But first we need to change all the array name: week id, start date, end time, and room number. Now here you can make it like a $save is equal to new, and you can put it here class timetable, and save. After we need to provide all thing one by one because all parameter. So first is a week id, so week id you can put it same thing way, and after you can copy paste everything, means like this way. Now you can change every place, like start time, so start time. Another one is the end time, so you can change here end times. Last one is a room number, so room number. And now into class id, so class id is working like a request wise, so you can put it as a request class id. And next one is there is a subject id, so you can put it here subject id. And after you can click on the save button, means not save button, just click on the save functions. And once you can done, and you can see it, copy this name and put it here. Please, in here you can type success, timetable successfully saved, class timetable successfully updated, whatever do you want to, like timetable successfully updated. Okay, so you can see it, every function is ready. Now let's try to test it's working, not working. So just save and just go back again, press Ctrl F5, so is already the data, so it's working very well. So you can see class timetable successfully updated. You can see it message, I am going to database, and here you can see it, but class id not found, so something issue there. Let's go back again, we can check. Okay, here we have not did class id, this is the reason. Okay, I think you got it, what is the error, but you can't see these reasons. Fifth, and here you can make it also fifth here. Suppose I can add again record, so you can see this record is removed, but I will show you once I can show here data. So right now we have there inside database all the records, because here is error there, so I have small error, and after you can did a manually entry. Okay, so now we need to get all the data, and we need to put here start time, end time, and room number. So go to above function, this reason I have created this function. So let's make it here new function, get class time table, and here we can call this function and just put it 3 parameter. One is a class id, one is a subject id, and one is a week id. So you need to copy same thing for the condition here, and you can put it inside. So just you can put insides, and here else part inside we need to write a blank. So just we can make it like get record, whatever function do you want to, like you can make it get records, and inside you can pass 3 parameter. First is a class id, second one is a subject id, and last one is a week id, so $week id. Okay, and now we need to go to class timetable model, and we need to create a new function. So just copy for delete one, because we need to same function we need. So just copy and put it here, and here you can put it like a another one week id, and you can copy paste again for these functions, and you can change here week id, and also you can change here first to get to first, and means delete to first, and here you can make it return. Okay, now here you can get the data, so we need to put here condition, like so once you can get data for this class, subject, and week wise, so we need to make here condition. So data found, so going to inside, otherwise no need to go inside. So simply you can put it is not empty, and here you can use for the same array here, just copy paste 3 is there, so 3. So let's go scroll down, and we can add a like start time. So just you can copy paste, and here you can put like a start time, sorry, yes, start time. Second one is there end time, so simply you can put end time, and here you can do it for the end time. And last one is there room number, so you can also put it here roll number, and also you can change here variable, also you can put roll number means room number. Now we need to pass this array is blank inside else part, and also into part inside a here. So just you can do it blank way. So data not there, so going to else part, and also you need to go else part. So always data found, this reasons. Okay. Now we need to go to list.blade.php, and we need to put is value. So just go to list.php, and you can put it here value. Same thing you can do it like a dollar value, and inside you can pass start time, and just copy paste in other place also, and you can copy paste other place here also, and here you can change the key, you can see it here. Now I will save and just go back again, refresh the page here, so you can see it here data found. You see start time and time found. So what I make reset, so you can't find the data. You can see you also submit button not found, but you can ss3, and you can search as a this subject. So this subject inside this is the timing for the Monday to Sunday, and suppose you can go to another subject, so you can see here no data found. Suppose I can put here subject time 9 to 11, and here you can put room number 2, and you can submit. So you can see it here is a new entry found also, you see, and also you can find out here data means start time end time. So this is the reasons we did two parts, because one part inside is impossible to submit, is a class timetable. Next video we can sort out, I think, is a holiday, because we also need a holiday here button, like a you need to make like a active inactive holiday, so can teacher and student can sit his side, this reasons. Okay, this is the class timetable, is a you can assign for the subject, so automatic show in teacher side and automatic show inside a student side once you can assign as a class. So with this class you can assign to student, so he know about his subject, and his subject assign him to find out his timetable, this reason we need. And also we need to put here the another column in next video. This is the module done, but I think my mind is changing about the like we need to put like a holiday, not holiday. Okay, this reason I need. Okay, so let's do in next video. And do you have any question for this video, so please comment out, and do you want to like this video, so please like, and do you want to see like this video more,